Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Rudy again with your Yard Service, and today we're gonna show you what it takes to clean up a driveway that has been packed down over the winter, driven on and rained on and all kinds of stuff. So this is kind of like an initial cleanup before we start ongoing service, or just for a one-time job for people that want to get back to their safety of the property. So this is what we got. I'm gonna show you around, and then we take a look how it works out. And we may have to come back tomorrow because we may have to put down ice melt that has to act overnight, and that will help us scraping it off tomorrow, like to do a really clean job down to surface. So let's see what we got. Here you can see all driven on. So this is probably all hard packed, and we also had freezing rain a few days ago, so this will cause some icy stuff. So we have to clean off the deep snow over here, and we also have a little short sidewalk to the garbage cans over there, so we have to clean all this off here and blow it probably into the back there. And we also have clean all out around the doors, and this is all hard packed, walked on, and the steps all hard packed, probably icy, so this has to be all removed and put to the side here. And yeah, so we basically want to get it all back down to concrete surface. This is concrete. This is how it should look like once it's all done. So this is all we could get with the scraping. There's still icy patches right here and on the steps there, and as well this big patches always here around the corner to the back. So we have to apply ice melt, let it soak overnight, and then see what we have to remove tomorrow morning. So we're gonna apply ice melt on those icy patches right now and come back tomorrow and clear it all off. And guys, we are back here. This is day 2 for the initial snow cleanup for this residential property right here. Remember yesterday we scraped off what we could. We had a whole bunch of packed down snow and ice, all packed down solid. We had some remaining icy patches where we applied ice melt, and now we're gonna check back how the ice melt did. You can see it's all wet, which is caused by the ice melt, of course. So we applied it to this area here. You can see the blue color, the bluish color. This is from the ice melt. We drenched it pretty good, so the cleanup today would go way better. We also applied it to that walk over there, and we applied it to this area over here, and then of course to make the steps safe again we applied it to the steps. So what we're gonna do right now is clean all that up, try to scrape it off, and then make it all look pretty again. guys, we cleaned this up as much as we could. Looks like we have some more stubborn ice over here, which needs another application of ice melt. The steps are all clean now, all clean, and we have a second nasty stubborn patch of ice where we need more ice melt application to clear that up. And then we also have some more ice on the sidewalk here into the back, so this is where we're going to apply ice melt as well. And then it looks like we have another day 3 at least to check tomorrow, so because the ice melt has to sit overnight and basically work its way through to the surface and then basically lift the bond from ice to the concrete, and that's where we hopefully can remove it all tomorrow. Anyway, so that's a 3-day project now, and this is what happens when you leave your driveway unattended over the whole course of the winter. Drive on it, walk on it, let it rain on it, let it sit. So this is what you typically have to deal with then. So we have day number 3, and we're gonna scrape off all that ice where we put down the ice melt yesterday and the day before, of course, and as well as over here, and we also have over here. So we're gonna all scrape this off, and they had some delivery trucks, so we're gonna move this snow onto the bank again. We scraped some more today, and still got more ice, super nasty ice, very stubborn. So we applied some more ice melt to hopefully finalize this job, so it's definitely better. And also have some smaller ice left on this side here on the left side. We cleaned up the spill from the truck that probably moved in backwards and knocked over the site. So we have it sit one more night, and we will come back tomorrow. I think this is day 4 on this job, and we're gonna clean up the remaining ice. Hopefully that will do it, and then we call it good. All right, so hopefully today's the last day where we have this cleanup job here for the very stubborn ice, and we had some ice melt put down last night again to hopefully get rid of all the remaining ice. So let's have a look and let's see what we got. Okay, so you can see there's some excess ice melt, which is good, which is all good because we gonna get rid of all that stuff. And back here the sidewalk looks mainly good too. We probably have to do some scraping, so we have a car today here, and that looks also very good on this side. So I guess today is the day of celebration, guys. Celebration. So the magic is done, guys. The magic is done. Where's the ice? There's no more ice, guys. It's all clean. All sparkly clean. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, so this is what we can do with a totally packed down and icy driveway all clean. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. I hope that was helpful, showing you the exact amount of resources that go into a cleanup job like that and the amount of labor that's required to bring your property back to safe conditions again. If you are looking for a professional and if you are in our service area, please give us a call, 780-218-8134. You can call 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you can certainly drop us an email as well, contact@eurayardservice.com. And we will be happy to help you out if you live in our service area. Thanks so much.